Expectations are high that the government will unveil a slew of goodies in the form of tax cuts, capital expenditure, additional jobs, or some combination of these to boost sentiment and help the economy overcome the speed breaker that has stalled its growing momentum. Take a look at the next report for more on this.
A significant number of Indians are showing their displeasure with income taxes on social media. So, it's hard to turn a blind eye to the growing chorus of voices demanding a change to India's tax system, which has been unchanged for 6 decades. The previous attempts in 2010 and 2019 failed. The Indian government plans to present a new income tax bill in the budget session. The proposed legislation seeks to streamline the current income tax structure, decrease its length by approximately 60%, and enhance its clarity. Taxpayers would benefit from a simplification of the present law's complex web of rules, sub-rules, clauses, sections and subsections. However, the change ought to have a specific objective. Any reform must guarantee equality, with the affluent and the poor, as well as present and future generations, bearing an equal share of the load. New Delhi wants greater tax revenue and expanded tax base. The middle class, though, is hoping for immediate assistance. The new tax code should do both in a delicate balancing act. The tax base in India is too narrow. About 63% of those who filed their income tax returns last year, nearly 47 million people, paid nothing. On the spectrum's opposite end are the 40,000 affluent, who each paid about $100,000. However, the wealthiest taxpayers pay less than 20% of all income taxes. The middle-class taxpayers are the ones whose opinions really count, politically at least. This is because they're responsible for carrying over 80% of the tax load. This group has recently been complaining about how they are being ripped off, not just the income tax, but also whenever they spend money, whether it is on a new car or almost anything. The complaints about the taxes paid on earnings from investments are also a big grumble. Any announcement on the income tax rate changes will take center stage in the budget. Raising the threshold for exemptions and lowering the burden under the old and new tax systems is a hotly contested topic. Inflation is a major problem. Will Sitharaman give any positive news for ordinary taxpayers? The anxiety and speculation keeps growing about what is ultimately going to come out of the budget. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.